With one easy ingredient, I'm gonna show you how to fix a broken pan sauce. There's nothing better than a perfectly made pan sauce. It's silky smooth, coats the back of a spoon, but maybe you step away for a minute and it over reduces. Boom, it splits, turns into a greasy, broken sauce. And fix that sauce with just a little bit of water. So if you've ever noticed, like an emulsified vinaigrette is really thick and it coats your lettuce and all your greens really, really well. A broken vinaigrette is really, really thin and greasy. That's exactly what's happening here in the pan. If you look at this broken sauce, the oil's split, there's like clumps, pretty gross. So to save it at this point, we're gonna return it to medium heat, just bring it up to a boil. So as this is warming up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of water, starting with a tablespoon or two, and you're gonna allow this water to come up to a boil. While it's boiling, that agitation is gonna help that emulsion come back together. Essentially, it's like doubling down on the whisking. It's gonna create a suspension of the fat in the water, and it's gonna begin thickening up. Also, a key sign of when this pan sauce is coming back together is the color is gonna lighten. You see that? Tip it to the edge, double check, see if there's beads of fat. It's just a little more water. Look at that. It's thickened up, it's light in color, silky with a little bit of shine. It's no longer greasy. That's it. It's a saved pan sauce. And you can keep doing this. You can keep re-emulsifying it and breaking it all day long. We choose to use water because as it keeps reducing down, flavors are concentrating. If you're adding a liquid that's already seasoned, that extra salt, those extra acids and flavors will become concentrated and you'll actually make your sauce unpalatable. So water is the easiest thing to use to save your pan sauce. Once you have the texture you want, your emulsion's brought back together, don't forget to taste it. Like any pan sauce, just the seasoning as needed with a little lemon juice, acid, salt. You're ready to rock. Save your pan sauce.
Subscribe to our channel and visit ChefSteps.com for more tips, recipes, guides, and tools to help you level up in the kitchen.